Now, as track and field athletes expressed their views about taking the COVID-19 vaccine, 3 members of the Reggae Boys squad remain cautious about taking the jab ahead of international competition. Simon Preston reports.
As discussions continue at CONCACAF if players should take the vaccine before the start of the Gold Cup and/or World Cup qualifying, 3 members of the Reggae Boys squad have voiced their view on the vaccine. Veteran national player Kemar Taxi Lawrence says while he's not against taking the vaccine, he's awaiting the opinions of the experts.
So if they explain it and it's something, positive, no negative about it, then I have no problem at all. All vaccine have some side effects. Just waiting on, the doctor's explanation to see what they think, and then from there, we just go ahead.
Forward Junior Flemings is open to taking the vaccine once it speeds up the process of returning to normalcy.
So if I have to take it, I'm open to take it, to be honest. And I think, if it's something that's going to help in the long run, as we can see, in general, that, the world is not what it is today. And this is a stepping stone in terms of getting back to where we were before. So I just think, we just have to do what we got to do in terms of, listen to the doctors and the scientists, because they're the one, really putting this together, and just trust them.
Another striker in Kemal Malcolm is more cautious about taking the injection.
Once the vaccine is good, once there's no after effect, I have no problem taking it. But as athletes, all of us want to know that once we take this vaccine, our health is good after, no after effects. I think most people will take the vaccine if that's the case.
As it stands, players will have to provide a negative PCR test within 72 hours to be allowed to arrive in the United States for the Gold Cup. The 2021 edition of the Gold Cup is set to run from July 10 to August 1, while the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers are slated to kick off in September. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.